Hey there, curious minds. Welcome to GeoTech Hub, where we make learning geography and information a fun adventure. Today, we are diving into the world of wealth management, and our treasure map is the gross domestic product or GDP. Get ready to decode GDP and discover why it is the key to a nation's economic story. Picture GDP as a giant piggy bank filled with all the money a country makes in a year. But how do we fill it up? Think of GDP like a puzzle with four pieces, right? Number one, people spending money. Number two, investing in the future. Number three, government chips in. Number four, exporting more than importing, right? People spending money, that is you and me buying stuff. Investing in the future means when companies spend on making things better. Government chips in. Our governments invest in our well-being. Exporting more than importing means selling more stuff abroad than buying from others. Do you want to know the Magic GDP equation? We have got an equation to unlock that treasure chest. Here you can see this equation, or you can consider it a formula to calculate a country's GDP. G is for consumer spending, I is for investment, G is for government spending, X means exports, M is for imports. Time for a showdown. Real GDP takes on nominal GDP. Nominal GDP is like the raw score, but real GDP factors in the price changes, giving us a fairer scorecard. Let's divvy up our treasure evenly among the people. GDP per capita tells us how much each person gets, like a slice of the pie. While GDP is the star, there are other cool metrics like GNI, HDI, and GINI that give us different angles on a nation's wealth and health and fairness. There you have it, fellow explorers. We have just covered on a treasure hunt through the world of wealth management. GDP is our trusty map, leading us through a nation's financial journey. Keep exploring with us at GeoTech Hub as we journey deeper into the exciting world of geography and information. Stay curious. Bye bye.